Hi guys, welcome again to Winnie Styles compliment of the season. I want you guys to please check out the styles that really allows for a deliberate engineered height, and it's a style that creates that striking silhouette with a short length, and it will naturally enhance your hair texture without even overpowering the glam. This hairstyle, they are classy and they are popular short natural haircuts. If you really want to be on the safe side when it comes to your fresh haircut, please stick to the classic, because those classic styles, like the Tapered, the Winnie Afros, and some of the Mohawks have stood the test of time, and they still work for various occasions. One thing about the styles is that they create the foundation for popular short styles, and they will always deliver that precise shape with versatile styling options. Just have a closer look on this haircut. You can see how this hairstyle looks so timeless, and it's a style that features both the short, faded sides, and back. And you can see having those longer crown sections, because when you have this combo, it's supposed shape without requiring full length styling. So this is a style for every black woman that really wants to have a hair that will take many years of her age. I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. Don't just watch, okay? Please do well to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds, if you have any question, let me know your minds in the comment section below. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.